In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if laptop sound is not working. So let's get started. Now let's start with the basic one. So locate the audio icon on your taskbar and then click on that. So you need to make sure that this is not muted from here. So in order to unmute this, you just have to simply click on the audio icon. Okay, to unmute the sound. You can also increase the volume from here. You just need to move the slider to the desired volume that you want, okay? Then once done, we need to click on the start button and click on settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left hand, we have to click on System. Scroll down and look for Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooter. So you should also try to run the Audio Troubleshooter. So here you'll find audio with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the Audio Troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So try to run the Audio Troubleshooter. The next method is we just need to simply again click on the start button, click on settings. Then here we have to click on system. Then we need to click on sound. And you just have to simply scroll down and you will find the option more sound settings. Click on that. And this window will appear. So here under playback, you need to make sure that your speaker is set as the default device. So you just have to click on that and you'll find the option right here, set default. So you have to click that. So in my case, this is already set as the default device. Then double click on this Realtek Audio. Then here, if you can find enhancement tab, make sure to disable all the enhancements. Again, if you find an enhancement tab right here, make sure to uncheck the option or make sure to disable all enhancement. Okay, make sure to disable all enhancement. Then you have here the levels tab. Make sure this is not muted from here. Make sure this is not set to the lowest, but you can increase this to the desired or maximum volume that you want and click on OK. And then click on OK and close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type services. We also need to check the Windows Audio Service, so click on Services under the Best Match. Now we just need to simply scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows Audio Service. So once you find the Windows Audio, you just have to make a right click and then select Properties. Now here for the startup type, this should be automatic, so click on the drop down and choose Automatic. For the service status, if it is not running, you have to click on Start to make sure this is running. Then you have to click on Apply and click on OK, and then you just have to close the window. Then for the final method, we also need to make sure that our driver for or audio driver is updated. So make a right click at the start button and select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you just have to simply look for sound, video, and game controllers. Then here you'll find the Realtek audio driver. So you just have to make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then you have to click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. You just have to close each window one by one. Then finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And that's it. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.